Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. Alright, so if today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button and also comment in the comment section, like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. Alright, thank you so much. So also do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Here at Taron Innovative World, we upload professional bag making tutorials almost on a daily basis or weekly. Okay, so it's good that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get to know whenever we upload a video. Thank you so much. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a beautiful pouch purse that you can use for your day-to-day activity, for outing, church, mosque, outing and all that. So let's get into the detail of the video. So I'm going to be using this beautiful material, this beautiful leather material, okay, and the measurement is 9.5 by 16 inches. So let's see again. Okay, so it's 9.7 inches. Okay, so you can leave it 9.5, right, depending on how you want it to look like. So I'm going to be using this zip head and I'm going to be using this zip cloth. Alright, so let's get into so now this material is called a double face, a two-face material, in that I can use either here or here. I can decide to use, assuming I need a white purse, I can use this. Okay, and so in case you're using something lighter than this, you can decide to line it. Okay, so whenever you're sewing and you need to put zip, just make sure that you leave extra. Okay, so now I'm going to fold it in like this and top stitch it. Alright, so I'm going to repeat the same thing to this other side, okay, by removing this. Okay, so I'll repeat the same procedure. So for questions, you can drop it in the comment section there. Do not forget to like the video, also share with friends. Alright, so now the next thing we are going to be doing now is to fix our zip head. Alright, or you call it runner. Okay, but the simple term I call it is zip head. Okay, even when you go to where they sell all these bag materials, you tell them you need zip head. Okay, so next is to turn it like this. inside out. All right guys, so what I'll do next is to stitch this and stitch. So just watch me as I go. Alright people, so watch what we do next. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out 1.5 inches. Where is that Bible? Alright, so now the next thing I did was to measure 1.5. Can you see? I measured 1.5 from this edge to this edge, then 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Okay, the same thing. Now I'm going to flip it this way. All right, so I'm going to stitch this. Also stitch here. All right, so after now I'm going to cut this material. Is actually very thick. It's very thick. So let me stitch it again so that it will be firm. So I'm now going to use I'm going to bias this place. When I'm done, I'll show you. All right, so let's flip it to the other side. So you bring that out, use your hand to bring out the shape. Okay. So let's see what we have after bringing out the shape. So see what we have. This is what we have. So I need you to drop your comments in the comment section. And are you going to try it? Let me hear in the comment section. So look at, I have this small purse. This small purse can still go in. Then I have, where's, all right, see, this big phone can also go inside. So you see, and many other stuffs can go in. And I'm off to work or off to church, off to school, and wherever. Okay, so guys, if you've watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel right now. Click on the like button, click on the thumbs up button, and also share with friends, comment. All right, subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Subscription is free, okay, but you can join our membership. You see join, you can join, all right, so that you get to watch videos that are exclusive for channel members only. And also you can join our Telegram class. It's ongoing if you want to go into bag making business. All right guys, so see you in my next video.